For the lawyer who wants to stay focused on clients and provide the best legal advice. For the firm that embraces technology to deliver more. And for the IT department that helps make it all happen. Litera has a simpler way, where your relationships with technology can be simplified and the entire document drafting process is seamless. So you can put more focus on what matters most, empowering lawyers to be better lawyers. Supported with technology that helps them stay one step ahead and deliver the highest quality work to clients in less time. Because, after all, reputation matters.